Good afternoon, everybody. This is my first time to America. My first time drive abroad. My first time make a presentation in English. My topic is create mobile app in Lua with Lua. I'm Ling Technology from China. My topic is divided to 4 parts: what we did, how, demo show, and last give us a summary. So what we did, mobile app development platform, we named it Lua. Lua is our product name. It is tied for the enterprise mobile app market. As you know, enterprise mobile app market is different with the personal market. I think that the most important thing is user experience can be trade-off. User experience is important, but not most important. So we focus the key point, how to realize the cross-platform engine. There are different ways. We chose the second one because it is more efficient, and sometimes someone like it because it is more like a program style, not a designer style, like the HTML file and the phone gap. One should know Lua as a programming language. As you know, it is small size, exporting, and also there are many references, such as many given cross-platform engine support Lua language. Let's move to the second part. How? Yes, there are so much work to do. Object know, cross-platform engine, framework, UI designer, simulator, and IPE. I will focus to the framework because we can get reference from the Cox 2D and Titanium. Do you know Titanium? So we will focus on the difference with Titanium. Let's say the architecture, engine, bridge, and the Lua framework. The difference between Lua and Titanium and Cox 2D is Lua is not only used as a script language. We use Lua to realize a UI framework. You can see this picture. We set up a UI framework in Lua language instead of correlate from the native framework, from the iOS UI framework, from Android UI framework. I'm Nick. The top one plugin is callback magnet, and the root class of UI framework is MLView. On this class, into the native framework. All other subspace in Lua language. Also, there are many other things we have done, including MVC, plugin, packaging, experience in Daogang coding in native code. Also, window management and animation. Also, UI automatic and adaptive layout for different screen size. By putting the 9-patch bitmap to this system. This is the code project in our IDE. You can see here. Application source code. And it is the framework in Lua. And resource, app resource. Also, UI designer is included. You can modify the properties of the controller. So let's go ahead. The enterprise mobile market requirement we got today is more efficient. It can loading and dynamic loading and running, but more efficient. The web app, including H5. Easy development. New radio ideas, 2 weeks, voice coding. Run both iOS and Android. Less cost. We had finished about 20 projects using Lua. Flexible. Complexity business logic is very wide, such as insurance, mobile app, zero. This is insurance app. The insurance product is very complicated. Different people, different location at different way. Yeah, it's very complicated. Also, there is a demo for O2O app. You can see the example. It's done by also, I want to show you the project. This is the framework. Let's say. This is application source code. Also, the default. We modify the properties. Signature. Not translate to English. It means the red bar is release. You can get the iOS package and the Android package, the digital package. For the last part, summary of Lua. Lua anyway, it's fully used due to a program UI and the business logic. Instead, core from the native code. So the project team can be divided into two parts. One is the junior engineer. I know nothing about iOS and Android. And the senior engineer is in charge of the network community and insisting language such as Object-C and Java. That's all. Any question? I'm in charge of the solution instead of the design and the program, the lawyer. So detailed technical question, please write to me. My team will answer you. I just show you what we did and how it worked.
Can you repeat why you found that the Corona or PhoneGap wasn't good enough? You decided to develop your own. What was lacking in PhoneGap and Corona?
You mean PhoneGap?
Yeah. Or is that as Corona is built on top of Lua, but that's maybe a game engine or that's also cross-platform, Corona?
Corona.
Yeah.
Yes, Corona is in.
It is cross-platform, but more for game, I think, or something. But there are at least. Yeah. So what is better? What did you lack, or what's better with Noia than PhoneGap, for example? Why not use PhoneGap?
Why not PhoneGap?
Yeah. Well, how is this better than PhoneGap?
Because the inventions, it's no inventions.
Okay.
Yeah. The PhoneGap and the IC file is depend on the browser code. So it's no inventions compared with the Titania, Corona, and Cox.
I think PhoneGap is different, but if you compare like the other Lua development environments for mobile development, like Corona, more for Corona SDK, I think it's available from Corona Labs. I'm not used to it, but I think it's familiar with it. And then I've also run into those like Moai and Focus, right? So they seem to do similar things, but I'm not entirely sure.
Yeah.
That's why I think it would be interesting to understand what's different about Noia.
The difference is the framework. It's similar. Okay.
Is Noia better?
No difference between Noia and Titania and Corona. No difference. The difference is here and yeah, here.
So you're building on the open source. Is this open source? Yes.
And Titania, your coding like if iOS and 4, else if Android and 4. So different script different script code for the Android and iOS.
Does Noia use native APIs that iOS or Android provides? I think that Corona uses like something like their own controls, and I'm not sure if that's the difference. But
Yes.
does this Noia use native APIs that exist and native UI controls in iOS and like text box that shows in Android style, and or is it kind of like own growing engine inside?
Yeah, I think Noia is the one that it doesn't use any native system UI components. It basically draws from a big map, so it draws everything.
Okay.
That's why it's more cross-platform.
What versions of Lua do you support?
Versions.
What versions of Lua?
5.2, 5.3.
2. We use ourselves and the server companies. not open source. But the framework is open source.
Any more questions? Or no? Okay. Thank you very much. So we don't have time for